Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're holding Shiba Inu, SHIB, in your MetaMask wallet and want to move it to your Ledger Nano X for better security, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to keep your crypto safe and sound. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both MetaMask installed on your browser and your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet set up. If you haven't already, update your Ledger's firmware and install the Ethereum app, since SHIB runs on the Ethereum network. This is crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Once it's open, navigate to the Ethereum app on your device and keep it running in the background. Next, open your MetaMask extension and ensure your SHIB tokens are visible. If not, add the SHIB token by going to the Assets tab, clicking Add Token, and entering the contract address 0x95 add 61B0A150D 79219DCF64E1 times 10 to the 6CCO1F0B64C4CE. Double check that detail to avoid any mistakes. Now, for the transfer. In MetaMask, select your SHIB tokens and click Send. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your Ledger's Ethereum address. To get this, go back to your Ledger device, open the Ethereum app, and use the Ledger Live software to view and copy your address. Paste it into MetaMask, set the amount you want to transfer, and review the gas fees. Aim for a balance between speed and cost in 2025's network conditions. Before confirming, always verify the address on your Ledger screen to prevent any phishing attempts. Hit Send in MetaMask and approve the transaction on your Ledger. This might take a minute or two, so grab a coffee while it processes. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to confirm the SHIB tokens have arrived. Congrats! You've just secured your Shiba Inu. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check everything. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.